Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150. We're talking specifically about that generation from year 2009 to year 2014, guys. If you have one of those, you have a problem where you need to find where the headlights relay is located, stay with us. We'll explain that. It's a little bit hidden theory there. We'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, parts from. That way you do not waste your money. Why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. We'll be making a video about every fuse, every relay on that Ford F-150. Why we do that, guys? So we can save you time and money. Let's say you're stuck in the middle of the road and your fuel injectors or fuel pump fuse goes out. Without knowing, guys, how to replace it, where it's located, you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere. And if you watch our video, you will be able to find that fuse in less than a minute or two, replace it, and you will be back on the road. Now, another thing, every single car that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. All these videos will be on our main YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers and 10,000 videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And something else, guys, if you need to buy any fuses, any relays for your Ford F-150, guys, okay, you will have some special fuses, relays. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays, parts at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's continue now. So about the headlight relay, let's explain where it's located on a 2014 Ford F-150, guys, right here. This is the facelifted version. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working one of them. For instance, let's explain about the two boxes. One is under the hood. So right here, that's the fuse box. If you open that cover, you will see a fuse box layout like this one, but none of these relays for the headlights, guys. Nothing here is for the headlights. The other fuse box is on the inside, on the passenger side, right here in the foot well. That's the kick panel here. Open that cover and you will see a fuse box layout that will look like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here now, guys, things get a little bit interesting. It could be two different places where the headlight relay is located, so make sure you stay until the end. That relay right here is the accessory delay relay. Okay, it's for multiple functions that practically if you turn the ignition switch off, if you have the key on, it will stay on for a certain amount of time, and if you lock your vehicle, practically it will turn certain functions. So that could be one of them. But the other thing where it could be is the body control module. It could be integrated, practically built into as a function of the body control module. And in that case, if you have a problem after a burned fuse, headlight bulb, something that was shorted, some cases you may need to reset the BCM. This is the body control module for things to work correctly again. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.